You're a genius. Well, you don't agree? Must be true.
Your season 1, episode 1.
Okay, there you go. That's just Mason. Don't worry, Ziggy.